Friday! Breakfast tayo, guys. Mana buttered toast. Ang sarap-sarap nitong buttered toast. And kape. Almost halfway na ako ng kape ko. The morning was not the best because Arlo was really grumpy. Pag nagising ako, tapos malis na ako ng bed, mga ilang minuto lang, nagigising na siya. Yan yung, nagpe-prepare ako ng lunch for Ayla. I get Ayla ready. And Arlo, umiiyak lang siya. Kasi gusto niya magpakarga. And ayoko siyang kargahin. Kasi, tingnan naman ito sitwasyon natin. So, hinayaan ko lang siyang umiyak. Kasi, pagod naman yung iyak niya. And kapag kinarga ko siya, gusto niyang dalhin ako kung saan-saan. So, hindi ko ma-ready si Ayla. So, hinayaan ko lang siya. And well, nangyayari to si Dan, nagre-ready din for work. So, the morning is very hectic. But, we will get there. Naninibago lang siguro siya kasi nga kakastart lang ni Ayla ng school, diba? So, ang aga namin nagigising. Maaga naman kaming natutulog, but nakukulangan pa din siya. So, kanina, pag alis ni ate at saka ni daddy, tinry ko siyang patulugin. Nakatulog guys, mga 10 minutes lang. Pag open ko ng door, dun sa taas, nagising. Tapos inulit ko ulit. Tinry ko patulugin ulit. Ayaw na. So, bumaba na lang ako. Sabi ko, I'll just start my day. Kasi ayaw niya talaga matulog na. Good luck mamaya. So, it's 10:06 na ng umaga. And my coffee is really cold na. Pupunta din si Michelle mamaya. Ngayon yung dating niya galing Pinas. Pero parang hindi daw siya magsistay the night. Sabi ko kasi magstay ka kasi baka mapagod ka, magdadrive siya kung saan sila, naka-assign sila ni Miss. So, we'll see. But dadaan dito yun kasi may idadrop tapos meron din siyang kukunin dito sa bahay. So, baka yun yung hinihintay ni Arno. Ayaw niya matulog. Who's here? Go to the door. Let's open the door quick. Who's here? What? A key? No, we have a key. It's okay, we have a key. Come on, open the door. You wanna see Tita? Where's Tita? Open the door. Ready? Go. Who is it?
Hi, boy. Look at Saka.
Hi.
Hi.
Bago pa nag-ilis og napi, so wala na surprise.
Hi.
Is it Tita? Nakaalis na si Michelle, guys. Nag-lunch lang kami dito, tapos kinuha niya yung mga gamit, and then nag-drive na agad siya kasi medyo malayo-layo pa yung drive niya. But gusto niya talaga mag-drive. Sabi ko, dito ka lang mag-stay ng night, but may kailangan kasi asikasuhin. So, she's gone! Hello? You okay? And tingnan niyo, meron na naman tayong mga pasalubong. Si Miss yung mga nag-request nitong mga to, tapos yung iba, as in, dala talaga ni Michelle. Thank you, Inday. Kagaling lang din namin dun. Tapos ako na talaga ang may mga paganito, diba? Binila niya ako nito galing sa Singapore. So, yung meron ako, yung fish skin, ito salted egg potato chips. So, thank you, Inday. And, meron akong ganito, diba? Ito nga yung breakfast natin kanina. Natikman to ni Miss, tapos sabi ni Miss sa kanya na ang sarap-sarap nito, bumili ka nito. Para daw sa akin, kahit meron naman ako. But, yeah, I got more of those. Ito din, request din ni Miss. Tapos binigay sa akin, dragon seed, sunshine! Meron kasi ako dalawa lang, diba, na malalaki. Now I have this. Yung parang pangtindahan talaga. Isasabit natin to dito. And ito, bigay niya, sa Talisay talaga to, guys. Ang sarap-sarap daw nito. Kasi maliliit lang, tapos may mga laman-laman talaga. O, diba? And then, ito din, Toledo made. Parang ang sarap niya nga tingnan. Bez Acre crab meat. Look at that, guys. That looks so yummy. Sobrang malaman na crab meat.
Mommy?
Thank you, Inday. And ito yung pinadala ko sa kanya.
Mommy.
Cut. Oh, careful, sharp. Give it to mama. Not for kids. Thank you. That one is for kids. You can have that one.
Pop.
You want lollipop? Here. Here you go. And, so nung umuwi kami, nung last uwi pa talaga namin, December, January, meron akong mga in-order online. Yung in-orderan ko ng clothes ng mga bata. Kaya lang, dumating siya, nakaalis na kami guys ng bahay. Yeah, so ito, nung January pa to, dumating sa bahay namin. Yeah, hindi ko siya nadala nung last trip namin kasi nga, dumating siya, wala na kami. Tapos, nitong uwi lang namin, nakalimutan ko naman siya. Nandun lang siya sa kitchen. Nakalimutan ko siya. So, pinadala ko siya. Pinabigay ko kay Marlon, kay Michelle. And si Michelle yung nagdala. Wala na siya sa packaging because kinailangan niyang i-ayos na lagay sa luggage kasi very bulky ng packaging niya eh. But ito yung mga na-mine ko sa Pinas na ngayon sana pang-winter ng mga bata. Magagamit pa din naman. Buti nakaabot. Kung wala si Michelle, hindi ko alam. Hindi na talaga ito abot. Hindi ito magkakasya next year. But look at that. Barbie. Kasi si Ayla mahilig sa Barbie. So this is for Ate Ayla. Ang cute, diba? And then this one's nice as well. Parang mga overruns to. Ito ang lambot-lambot nito. Yeah, size 4, ito siya. Ganyan. Ang cute lang. Kaya lang wala na, hindi na to masyadong magagamit pa din ni Ayla. Pero iniisip ko kasi dito, pag school na niya. Kasi nga, diba, nung ano pa sana to, January. Pang school sana niya ba? Ngayon may uniforme na kasi yung bata. So, hindi na niya masyadong magagamit yan. This is for Arlo. Ang cute. Kasi suot-suot ni Arlo yung isa ngayon. Ang cute-cute. Kasya-kasya sa kanya. Kasi nung tinanggal to ni Michelle sa luggage, si Arlo sabi niya, take off jamas. Pinatanggal talaga yung jamas, guys. Nagsuot talaga ng bagong outfit. But this is for Arlo. This one's really cute. Look at this, guys. Bobby. And then the back looks like that. And it comes with this as well. Actually, gamit na gamit pa to this winter pala kasi may plano din pala kaming gala din pala, mga in the next 2 weeks siguro. And then, ito, ano bang kapartner nito? Ito, feeling ko maliit na to kay Ayla, guys. Kasya to kay Arlo na. Tapos, ay yung kapartner niya is ito. Ang haba naman ng pants, pero yung top medyo maikli. Yeah, size 4 daw siya eh. Pero medyo parang maliit. Yeah, yung pants niya, yan yung kasama. And then, ito pantulog, but for ano na to, summer. Kasi Barbie, ang cute kasi ng Barbie. So, mostly Barbie yung kay Ayla. Tapos yung kay Arlo, mga Mickey. Ayan, so ito pang summer na to. Ang cute, diba? Ang cute-cute lang, kasi ang mura lang nito. And then this one, last one. Ang dami pa lang para kay Ayla dito. Kasi nga, for school sana. Ang ganda din. Yung kay Arlo, dalawa lang pala. Depende din kasi sa mga ipapakita niya. Kung wala talaga yung size ni Arlo, hindi mawawala. Wala talaga. And that's Arlo's outfit. Can I show the guys your outfit? Let me see. Mickey Mouse. That's so nice. Kasyang-kasya sa kanya. Tingnan nyo, oh. Kumakain na naman siya, guys. Arlo boy, I like it. It's so nice. Basang-basa na siya. Kasi yung baril niya, nilagyan ni Tita Michelle ng tubig. So, tingnan nyo siya, oh. Oh, basang-basa na. Pero ang cute-cute. Is that your gun? Yes? Where's Tita Michelle? You didn't even say bye. Sobrang nag-enjoy siya sa baril. Hindi na siya lumabas. Hindi na siya nagbabay. Tapos pagbalik ko sa loob, wala na. Basang-basa na siya. Basang-basa na yung floor. You like the gun? Pew pew! Ubos na yung tubig. Where's Tita Michelle? She's gone, boy. Hello. Time check. 2:44. Ati's there. We're in Ayla school, guys. And I gotta park right in front. So, hindi ko na kailangan i-pram si Arlo. You will walk to her room, okay? Kasi ilang steps na lang gate na yan. So, good. Umalis ako ng bahay mga 2:33 siguro. Tapos, yeah, 2:44 nakahanap ko ng parking dito. Usually kasi umalis ako ng 2:40 and puno na dito. So, dapat pala yun yung alis ko. Kasi in 5 minutes, 2:50, pwede nang kunin yung mga bata eh. So, hindi ganun katagal yung hintay namin. But yeah, we're here. I'm just gonna put Arlo's shoes on and then go inside. Nung first day kasi, Wednesday, pinick up ko siya ng mga 3:03 kasi yung parking ko medyo malayo. So, lumagpas ako ng konti. Hindi kasi ako sobrang early. Ayoko din ng late naman. And yung goal ko sana is dumating doon ng alas 3. Pagdating ko doon, 3:03, tatlo na lang sila natira, guys. Tapos parang naawa ako kay Ella. Sabi ko, tatlo na lang. Tapos tumitingin siya sa labas ba. Tapos pagkita niya sa akin, ang saya-saya niya. Sabi ko, huwag ka mag-alala, bukas aagahan ko. Tapos kahapon, ang aga ko nga, kasi di ba galing tayong Kmart. Tapos ang lapit lang nun dito. Isa ako sa maaga. So ang dami namin nakapila. Tapos nakatingin si Ayla. Tapos at least alam niya na nandun ako sa marami. Alam mo yun, hindi yung siya yung last. I'm gonna put your shoes on and then we're gonna walk there, okay? We had a nap! Me and Alo! Yay! Hindi kasi natulog kanina. Wala nang parking. Balik na si Kuya. Ha? You wanna see ate? Alright, let's go see ate. Alright, mommy will put your shoes on. Just wait. Mommy will get your shoes, okay? Shoes. Yay, you like these shoes? Hi guys. Say hi guys. I'm Alo boy. Ate Ayla is my ate. You miss ate? No? What's this in your face? Got chocolate on your face? Or you?
No.
Okay, you ready to go? Alright, let's go. The gate's not open yet, but that's okay. We'll wait. We got ate in the car. How was school, ate? How was it? Good. You got a surprise for mama? Yummy. Do you like the surprise, Alo? Yummy. Alright, I'm just trying to remember if we forgot anything. We got the backpack. Wala tayong pram na nilabas.
Surprise, mommy.
We're good. You love the surprise, no? Oh, that's good, baby.
Yeah, mommy.
What do you say?
Let's blue one.
Blue one? What do you say? You're welcome. Alright, let's drive back. Malulungkot tong isa. Sana hindi niya maalala na pumunta si niya. TITA niya. Kasi sinabi ko sa kanya kagabi eh. Sana makalimutan niya. Mama, Mickey Mouse.
I'm sorry. Doing
Sino more?
video mas. Lollipop.
No lollipop either.
Lollipop. Lollipop.
Yeah, it's gone.
Lollipop. I see lollipop. I see lollipop.
I can do strawberry lollipop. Do you want strawberry lollipop? You want mandarin?
No.
Apple.
Lollipop.
You want apple?
Lollipop. Lollipop.
Lollipop apple. You want lollipop apple?
Lollipop.
Huh? You eat pa?
Lollipop apple.
Naubos niya daw yung lunch niya. So, we will see. Ooh, artwork. I love you, brother. Aww. This is sweet. Hello, look. It's from ate. I love you, brother. It's from Ate Ayla. She made it for you. Roll up. And si Arlo kanina, hindi naglakad, nagpakarga. Kahit ang lapit-lapit lang. So next time, kahit ang lapit-lapit lang, mag-pram talaga tayo. Nakakaloka tong batang to. Pakarga na pakarga. Naubos ka daw. Ooh. You wanna watch Maui? That's good. Naubos niya yung lunch niya. May apple na tirga nito. Maganda talaga itong maliliit na apple lang. Isang mandarin. And half a strawberry. That's good. I'm happy with that. Beautiful. You alright, ate? We'll put this away because next gamit na to is Wednesday na naman. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday nga kasi si Ayla. But bukas meron siyang dancing. Bukas ng umaga. So half a week, sunod-sunod yung busy ni ate. Naganap niya sa buhay.
Hi. I wanna me. Oh.
It's me!
Hi. I wanna me.
Oh my gosh. Cute ni Arlo.
Hi.
Ay, lagyan natin to guys. Ang sore ng aking muscle. Dito. Bagtak ko.
I died.
Marami siyang laman. Ito yung nabili natin sa Korea ata. Oh, Korea ba to? Japan? Korea no? Meron siyang 6 na laman. Lagyan natin dito sa... Ito, nagsimula siya dito. Naalala ko nun dito sa Miss, parang one day biglang ang sore nung dito ko na muscle. Tapos ngayon dito. No, what's not sticking? Just wait. Sana mag-work pa to kasi tagal na dito. Hindi ma-expire na to.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, that's cold.
It's doing, mommy.
Huh?
It's doing to your leg.
I am just putting it on the muscle and hopefully it helps.
Mommy.
Hindi ko alam kung epektibo pa to guys. Feeling ko expired na to. We'll see.
I told Mom.
Diyan?
I forgot.
Nasugatan pala si Ayla. Nadapa siya daw sa playground kanina. Yeah, let me see your hand. You're okay. Yung
Smells.
tuhod lang malaki.
Mom, this
Tuwang-tuwa naman siya kasi nakaka-bandage. It's not sticking anymore.
Yeah, we have a princess one.
Let me see if there's a princess one there for you. Huh? No, it's rubbish. Do you want to put it in the bin?
I told you.
Yeah, throw in the bin. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you, Alo. Put in the bin. Go. Cute yan. No! Ayaw na bring the pew-pew. Ang sore talaga ng muscle ko dyan dahil nakakainis. Hello! Luto tayo konting fried rice.
And I made no tunnel. Hello, I make a book. Oh, my body.
Wala pa din si Daddy, guys. Anong oras na? Mag-alas 7 na ba? Ay, hindi. 6:20. Oh, goodness. Si Ayla tapos na kumain. Itong Arlo ko ang hindi kumain ng dinner. Nag-ano lang. Nagprutas. Wait, ano nga ulit kukunin ko yan? Wait. Magluto lang ako konting fried rice. Idagdag ko dun sa natirang fried rice. And then, kakainin ko yung natira namin ni Michelle kanina. Nag-Chinese food kami kanina eh. So, may dumplings dyan. Tsaka merong Chinese fried rice na natira. But, magluluto ako ng more fried rice. Kasi si Arlo for sure kakain yan mamaya. Yeah. Uy, hindi pa pala ito nakaon. Dito sa malayo natin. Yung simpulan na fried rice lang to yung akin. You guys want yogurt?
Yeah.
Do you want yogurt? Ayla, what color? You want blue? Alright. You want blue? Okay. We'll
I
get you.
like blueberry.
You like blueberry?
I like blueberry. Blueberry yummy.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh, Daddy, I got you book.
Can you pick it up, please? Quick, quick, quick. And give it to me so we can answer Daddy. Ay, naku, we missed it.
What, Mommy?
My gosh, 6 ano na. Hello, Daddy.
I'm gonna say hello to Daddy. I'm gonna say hello to Daddy. Oh, Daddy.
Sorry, what did you say?
I was talking to Dave. Me and Dave had a good chat.
Okay.
Hello, Daddy.
Give it half an hour.
Alright.
Hello, Daddy.
No.
I'm gonna say hello to Daddy. I'm gonna say hello to Daddy.
That's alright. They want to say hello.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, guys.
Hello. Give me. You want to give me?
A yogurt.
Hello, Daddy.
She's offering you yogurt.
She's offering me yogurt.
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
I've got to go, Eileen. Daddy doesn't play home. So I've got to
Alright, so see you, Daddy.
Where you going, Daddy?
He's coming home.
see my family, which I'm sure you have by now. She doesn't. I'm on my way home now, so I'll see you soon.
I love you, Daddy. Bye, babe. Bye, love you, bye. Daddy got stuck again. Always stuck. Hmm? God is always busy, baby. Always busy. He got stuck at the office. Work. Just work stuff, my love. Hmm? He needs to do more work, maybe. It's okay. We still love Daddy. Huh? Maybe he's talking to someone. He's talking to someone about work. Hmm? Daddy's home. Made him a sandwich again. Power to win. Power to rule. Come on. Panalo kami, guys. Alright, tulog na tayo, ate. My gosh, you have an early morning again tomorrow, ate. May dancing siya bukas. Say goodnight to the guys, Alo. See you tomorrow. Ayla, say goodnight to the guys.
Spider-Man.
Say goodnight to the guys.
Say goodnight to the guys first.
Good night, guys.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.